Hello, welcome to my project. Um, Today I will demonstrate how my project that I did in Python works. Basically, I have made a password manager completely written in Python. Okay, and it has a command line interface. And this is how you interact with the software. It has also some graphics to help the user and instructions. So when it detects the first time you try to log in, it asks you to create a password. So if we, for example, if we create a password, we enter into the main menu. So the main menu has these options, but they are not the final options, because after you add a password, so it can be to a website or a service. So after you add a password, okay, you unlock the other options. So the other options are showing all passwords. As you can see, this is the password we just entered. And you can also search and filter through all the passwords. So if we add more passwords, for example, okay, so if we go to search, we can search by the site or by the password or by the email. If we follow the instructions, we need to first enter the thing we want to search. So I selected by site. So as you can see, it showed me both the passwords because both of them have the same one. But if I search for the email, because they're different, you will find that we're getting only one email. Okay. Also, we have a password generator. Okay, so all we have to do is just enter, and it generates for us a random password. As you can see, very strong password, and then it can be used to create a strong password. So you can generate a password. Okay, you can copy it, and then you can add. You can go sign up with it, for example, and then you can paste the password here for your new account. And now if you forget it, you can come back and you can use it. And this whole app is obviously secured by a password. If I exit and then open the app again, you will see that I must enter the password to gain access to my password. Okay, so the final things are the settings. I also made a settings menu so that you are able to customize how the program works. So the main features is the password format. This is for the generator. So you might want for example, you might want to modify the length, for example. Okay, so first you need to select, you need to, okay, so it runs you through each option. So first here, the length, I can modify it. I can make it a shorter password. Do I want lowercase to be included? Yes. Do I want uppercase? Yes. Numbers? Okay. Special character. Do I want to save? So it asks me if I want to save. If I said no, it will completely leave it. So if I did this again, if I did 20, yes, no, no, yes. If I said no, it goes back and does not save my changes. So I have modified it now to a new one, so I can, if I say no, it will take me back. And also one last feature is you can change the password of your generator, and you can also change the theme. So you can choose one of these themes. For example, let's choose a random one. So this is called pipe, right? So this changes the theme for the menus and everything if you want. And you can also, finally, you can choose to change your password. So you need to first tell it your current password, and then you need to enter the new password. Are you sure? Yes, and then it's saved. Yeah. So that was the password manager. Um, I can also quickly, briefly show the code for this project. So this code was written in 600, as you can see, 600 lines. I imported these packages, okay, and used all sorts of functions. So the functions are at the bottom here. So I used functions to display things and to filter and to import data from files. Okay, this is the main function, which manages the logic of the program. Okay, and I've also used many try except to um, check the errors and to correct them as well. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.